What's up YouTube? FXE here coming at you with another unboxing video. This time we're doing the Nikon P520 bridge camera. I bought this camera on eBay for $151 so I can use it for my unboxing videos. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this baby.
Here's the top of the box with the Nikon Coolpix 520 branding and the image of the camera. On the front side, key features include 42 times wide zoom, an 18.1 megapixel lens, 3.2 inch LCD flip out screen, full 1080p at 30 frames per second video recording, a lens shift VR, and a built-in GPS. On the back side, it supports Windows 8, Mac, QuickTime, has an HDMI connection, high-speed USB certified, uses an SD card along with some other programs it's compatible with. On the bottom, it shows what items come in the box, which include the P520 bridge camera, a camera strap, one rechargeable battery, AC adapter, AV cables, USB cable, software CD, user manual, and warranty info. Alright, getting into the box, we have the user manual on top, quick start guide. It's a pretty hefty manual. The AC adapter, the flip out plug, and the USB cord that goes into it, into the camera adapter. Next, you got your AV cables connected to a monitor. Got a battery cover, battery number 4, battery number 1 and 3, 1, 3, and 4. 2 must be in the camera, which is that. Your software CD, which we probably won't need in today's day and age. And finally, we've got the camera and the camera strap. Oh, I don't think I would have shipped it with the screen in the out position. There's a strap. It's in good condition. It's got the Coolpix logo on there. A little dusty. The lens. The Nikon brand. Very similar to a DSLR, but that's the reason why I bought this camera, this flip out LCD, so I can see myself making my videos. Spins 180 degrees, slaps back. That's how I would have shipped it. Feels pretty lightweight in hand. Lens is in good condition. Powered on. Lens is moving as it should. LCD powers on. Nothing crazy going on there. Moving around here, checking the autofocus, things seem to be focusing rather quickly. It's not the fastest zoom in the world, but it works. It's smooth. It's not noisy. My DSLR, a D5100, I just took a picture of that thing. Makes a lot of noise when autofocusing and zooming in and out. This is smooth and quiet. For full detail on the buttons and menus for this camera, please watch the video by Chris C74 titled Taking a Look at the Nikon P520. I'll also post the link below in the comments for you to reference. During his video, he'll take you on an in-depth tour of all the external buttons and features, as well as take you through each menu option so you have a clear idea of what is available on this camera. And now let's discuss what I like and dislike about this camera. First, we'll list the items I like, which include the DSLR-like functions and menus, the flip-out display, the amazing amount of zoom you get with the bridge camera of this type, and the current average price for one of these cameras is a steal considering it was released in 2013 for around $450. Now for the items I don't like. I could care less for the GPS button. I don't like the manual focus operation around the OK button. I don't like the secondary zoom switch on the left side. I feel like this should have been the focus. I also wish the mount was off to the side so the battery and memory card could be removed while it was still mounted. Here's some footage of my boxers in the backyard that needs some attention. I was pleased with the footage the camera produces. The details noticed as the dogs walk by, you can see the individual hairs on them. Now for some photos I took around the yard. The pictures of the plants and flowers were taken in the macro settings so you can see the quality of photo this camera produces in this mode. As I zoom in on each photo, you can see they are pretty impressive. I then went around and took pictures of the most common animals we have running around besides my dogs, and that is lizards. I was roughly 5 feet away so I did not scare them off, and zoomed in with the optical zoom only. I then took this camera with me to the beach and recorded some footage and took some pictures. I would say the 1080p shines in such good lighting with this camera. The speaker picks up noises rather well, but the wind noise is horrible as you can see from this scene. As far as pictures go, they were all done in manual mode, and you can see that the action shots were captured with minimal blur. The last 3 pictures were taken zoomed all the way out, optical all the way in, and then digital all the way in. This concludes my unboxing and review of the Nikon Coolpix P520. I hope I was able to help you decide whether or not this camera will suit your needs. I also hope you see you can pick up a high quality camera used at a reasonable price. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons and leave your questions and comments below. Until next time, have a good one.